So right now I am at barbecue. I'm sorry, City Barbecue. I'm going to order that. Alright, that's the line. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm finna order. Again, I'm ordering that brisket chili. I'm gonna try that. I'll let y'all know how good it tastes. I'm gonna put a little extra. I'm gonna add some extra cheese and some extra sour cream. So let's see. I'm in line. But I am making, again, I'm making me some seafood. I go to Juicy Crabs to get my own sauce. I don't make the sauce, so you may not know. I don't make the sauce. I refuse to make the sauce. And I got my juicy seafood right here. But right now, I'm gonna sample the brisket chili. I'm gonna try that. So I'll let y'all know how it tastes. I am going to pull over because I want to try it and see how it tastes in front of you guys. So, and then I'm going to order my husband something to eat. He going to eat here. But most likely he'll eat the seafood too. I just didn't want nothing from here, so I didn't get nothing. So this is going to be our dinner. We got a spicy smoky stack. Smokestack. Ooh. So is that the hot dog? Is that? So is that pork or beef? Coleslaw. That looks good. I need to try that. This is called City Barbecue. I don't know if y'all have it in your state, but this is what we have in our state. In Indianapolis, Indiana. I don't eat pork, so you would never really see me eat pork, so that's why I say that. So give me a minute to get us on hold, so I'll wait till I pull up and I'll get back. Let me show y'all my outfit. This is what I have on. I'm going on a diet. I'm going on a diet. I will start my diet next week. Okay, now it's time for me to pull up. Here I go. Life. Okay. Do you want me to get you one green bean and want you one collard green? Or you want both of them collard greens? Okay, just want to make sure. Okay. Can I get a half chicken, thighs and legs, dark? Both of them thighs and legs. And then can I get 2 collard greens?
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
Okay. Hello? Oh, okay, thank you for reminding me. Okay. Okay, bye. Bye.
Hey, so I'm pushing to Lake Eyes to Green. What else do I look
He want a peach cobbler. And he said, if you can you not make sure it got a lot of bread in it? He liked the peaches a little bit. I don't know if you don't mind.
Extra pieces.
Yeah, if you can. I want to try y'all that chili, brisket chili. Is it good?
No, I like it. I be eating it like every day.
Oh my gosh, you finna get me fat. Oh my gosh. Okay, can I try? Can I get extra sour cream and extra the little cheese and peppers on it? I'm gonna try
If
it.
you want the individual or the bowl?
In the bowl, I guess in the bowl says they got the sour cream and the cheese. I mean, however y'all make it, I just want a little extra sour cream and cheese and peppers.
I got you.
And I need not to eat nothing else. Oh my gosh.
$33.74.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, I gotta get up here and get off my phone because I have to give them my I got a membership thing here, so I gotta get my card. So y'all gotta give me a minute. I'll be back. Okay, now I pay for the food. I'm gonna mild and sweet. Don't put no hot on there. Just mild and sweet. That's all he gonna want. Okay. So here I go. Y'all ready? I'm not ready. Try to see me.
Thank you.
You know I'm finna sneak in the corner and eat this. I'm finna sneak in the corner and eat my stuff. You see I'm trying to dig my shit out. Hold on. Oh, this is it? Oh, they don't put the sour cream? Okay. I gotta put it together. Okay. Oh, okay. And I ain't gonna eat that shit. You didn't give me no cornbread, did you? Okay, cause I ain't gonna eat that shit anyway. I'm just gonna take my shit out, cause I'm finna eat this right now. Please. Thank you. You too. Oh, I didn't look at the meat. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Let's pull to the side and let's put our stuff together. Okay, let's try it. I'm just go all the way to the end. Try my finger on there. I'm gonna go all the way to the end right there. And I'm gonna try this out one bit. I need to turn right there to go home, but I got to try this chili. I'm just being greedy. I am so sorry. The brisket. And, okay, they gave me the sour cream, the peppers, lot of sour cream. But I don't know if this the extra cheese. I don't know what the hell. But they gave me one extra cheese, but they gave me, I don't know. Let me try it. Okay. Let me show y'all. Okay. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna put it together. Okay, let me try it. Okay, not bad. Try a little sour cream. A little cheese in there. Oops, I put all of it in there. And I want some jalapenos. Oh yeah. Okay. Not good when I should be acting fat on the parking lot. But this is what I do. I eat a lot, but I'm supposed to be going on a diet. So, I'm probably my husband. Hello? I'm just pulling off. On my way to the house. I'm like in the line. Finna be on my way there. I'm getting out the line. I'm finna be on my way there. No, I drove to the drive-thru. Nothing. On my way to you. Babe, I'm on my way there. You hear me? I'm on my way there. You hear me? You said what? Yeah. Okay. Not bad. The peach problem. Hey, well, this is ours. I'm taking a sample. Just a sample. Alright. You're not finna pick out on no potato salad. I mean, no peach cabinet. You can share it. That's all. My bad. Bye. 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 I'm on my way there, honey. Bye. You just rude. I'm not that long. I'm not doing all that.